Welcome to the Fly World. Hey yo, what's good everybody? Fly Lopez here with another fly video. Make sure to thumbs up the video, guys, because you are now in the Fly World. So you guys already know who we got. Fly Buddha in the building. We got this Fanta drink right over here. It's called Huong Ki. It's by Coca-Cola and Fanta. Yes sir, let's get it. So it looks like a blueberry and it's like a red berry. So let's try it out, guys. Sit down, make sure to subscribe. You're now watching Fly Lopez. Let me fix something up. Okay, shall we begin, my people? You guys see? Bring my floor just a little bit down. There we go. Right there. Back. Okay, now you guys can see good. Okay guys, let's get to the video. Open up Fly Buddha. Smells amazing. Fly Buddha wants you guys to subscribe. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. One second. Boom. Yeah. Who is that? That's me. Okay, you guys ready? Now that, my friend, sounds amazing. Come a bit closer. Too far. You guys ready? Oh, I shouldn't have looked at the camera. It's okay. I'll clean this table after. Do we have any napkins? Do we have any napkins? What up, guys? You know what? So we'll use this sock. Clean this after. Okay. Now I need a thumbnail. I'm gonna get close to you guys though. That's the whole point of the thumbnail. Here we go, that's the thumbnail, guys. Should we begin? I had a comment before saying, oh, where do you do your thumbnails? Why don't you just take a picture? It's because I don't want to take a picture. That's why. I want it from the video, guys, and I know you guys love when I say, oh, this is the thumbnail time. You guys love that. Look, I'll do another one right now just for that guy leaving a comment. Thumbnail time. There you go, buddy. That's for you. And drop another comment of that, because I just love that. Cheers, buddy. Salud. Oh, this one looks really focused here. Yeah, buddy. I think that's gonna be the thumbnail, actually. Yeah, buddy. Let's get it. Let's try it now, guys. Let's put this light a little bit away from me. There we go. Oh wow. It has a strong taste. Let me try it again. Fly Buddha was thirsty, and I had to give him something to drink. Let me try again. I'm gonna make sure I work out after this. Okay. It's weird because I don't really taste. I don't think these are blueberries, guys. That's the funny part. I don't think they're blueberries. I don't know if this is from Japanese or China, but they have different fruits in us, so yeah. Let me try it out again. The funny part is, it kind of tastes like licorice, kind of like the black licorice. Cheers, buddies. It has a little weird taste to it. So that's my final answer, guys. I'm gonna think it has licorice taste. Delicious, guys. So guys, don't forget, when you guys go to your phone, this is what you do. You go in the YouTube app, click here, you type in Fly Lopez, and this is how I look, and then you press the subscribe button. Okay guys, subscribe button, and Fly Buddha has some words to say to you guys. Respect Fly Buddha, respect Fly Lopez. You guys are now in the flat world, don't forget that. Let me take one more sip for you guys. Power of respect, props. Yeah, make me famous, please. Let me get over 2,000 subscribers. I love you, my supporters love you. One love, the fly love, baby. Let's go. Okay guys, you have now seen the video of the drink. Would I recommend buying this, guys? It's not bad. I wouldn't buy it again. It's not really my flavor, guys, you know, but that's what it tastes like. It tastes like a little licorice, kind of like a black and a grape mix, you know. That's my final answer, guys. So you guys already know what to do. You're now leaving the fly world. Remember, subscribe, hit that like button, leave a fat comment, okay guys? Just remember one thing though, I'll be back to, yeah, stay fly.